how to cancel my booking on Booksy. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your booking on Booksy. As we all know, Booksy is an application where you can book for your hair styling, both for ladies and for guys. And then to reschedule or to cancel your booking, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons like my booking, search appointment profile. You just click on the appointments tab. So after clicking on the appointments tab, you'll see all of your appointments here. And then the next step would be for you to select the appointment you would like to rebook. So for me, my page is empty because so far I have not scheduled or I've not made any booking on my Booksy application. But for you, you would see all of your appointments here. So the next step would be for you to select the appointment you'd like to rebook. Then by the right side of the appointment or the appointment page, you will see the option change. All right. So click on the change button to choose a new time frame. And then after clicking on the change button, you can now go ahead and again select any time frame entirely. Or on the page, you also see cancel. You will see change or cancel. So just click on cancel button and then your appointment will be cancelled altogether. But then if you try this and it has not worked, the next thing will be for you to ask for further assistance. And then how do you do so? Move to the bottom right corner where you can see the profile icon and click on the profile icon. And then once you're on the profiles page, you'll see options like friends and family, gift cards, etc. And then you'll see feedback and support. You just click on that in order to contact the customer support, and then you would easily cancel your booking that way. So here is how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.